Okay, so right, let's get back to the new product. So you know what, I'm just gonna grab it from the boot and just show you guys, yeah, and let me know what you think. Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So this video, I'm quite excited about today's video. It's because I've been working on a product for the last few months, and I am actually going to launch it now in this video. And it's something that I've been working quite hard on. It's taken a lot of time and quite a bit of money, but yeah, I've actually been able to bring it to market, as you'll see shortly now. And that's why I've got Brandon, because the product that I've got, it's a physical product. So you guys that are regular viewers know that the only other product that I promote regularly is my driving course, which is the Ultimate Driving Course, which I believe in is a massive help to learner drivers. And but this product now, like I said, it's a physical one, and that's the reason why I've got Brandon here, because he can actually try it out, even though he's not a learner no more, but he's just recently passed. And yeah, Brandon, before we talk about the product, how you been?
I've been good. I've been productive. I've been getting all my work done. I'm on my last steps of PT, which is fantastic for me. Maybe getting a car, maybe not. We'll have to see.
Have you done any driving in between?
No. The only other driving that I did do was after I passed the test.
Yeah.
I went home. My mum was like, "Well, do you wanna drive in my auto?" And we just drove around the street, like testing out the auto for a bit, and
okay,
you know, under a provision and whatnot. And it was normal. I expected it to be very different, but my left foot was just chilling the entire time. Like I had like a ghost foot for the clutch, but there was no clutch. That's the only other driving that I've actually done since.
And you were saying about a car? Oh, you've been looking for cars?
Mm-hmm.
So
I did see one originally, but I was too slow for it, sadly. I found one, and it's technically a better upgrade, like a better plate. And I do have it on finance now. I'm just waiting for it to come through.
Okay, so you should be getting a car very soon.
Yeah.
That would be a nice video, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so right, let's get back to the new product. So you know what, I'm just gonna grab it from the boot and just show you guys, yeah, and let me know what you think.
So, guys, how's it been? Long time no see. I haven't seen you guys in a while. You know, how have you been? Let me know in the comments. I'll be back.
You been talking to the camera again?
No.
Okay, so here we go.
Whoa, let's have
New
a look at
brand.
packaging. Driver Medics. Do you want to explain the name?
So it's just a new brand name that we came up with. Yeah. So yeah, this is my new brand, under which I'll be launching products which I personally think will help learner drivers. So for now, I'll just be this product. But any product we do launch, it's going to be something that, yeah, there's a lot of thought gone behind it, and it will actually help learners. So this, as you guys have probably guessed, it's a driving shoe or driving trainer, you can call it, yeah, designed for driving, yeah. So the way the shoe is designed, there's a few features of it, because how did you find it, Brand, when you first started to drive?
When I first started, I didn't know what shoes to wear originally. Like, do I wear boot-looking things? I just carry on wearing my gym trainers, like my running trainers. That's literally what I wear to drive, because it's somewhat bendy, but I never really had like a good grip on the pedals, realistically.
So basically what happens is, you know, once you're really experienced, it's like now, even you could probably drive in most footwear now. Yeah, but a lot of people, you know, when they do start learning to drive, they struggle with the correct footwear. And I think nearly every single learner in the first few lessons that I've taught to drive was always asking which is the best footwear. So yeah, I think there's nothing in the market such as this. And so yeah, I've decided to give it a go. And please let me know in the comments your opinions. And yeah, should we open it?
Yeah, let's go for it.
So you told me, what shoe size were you?
11, but depending on the shoe, like we know, it could be 12 potentially.
Yeah, so these are 11s. Yeah, I've got some 12s in the boot as well, just in case they don't fit. So, right. So we got white and black. Should we try the white ones first?
Let's go for white. Let me pull this chair back. Oh, I didn't wear the right socks.
I'll let you do the honors, Brand.
Let's keep it hidden. Oh, look at these bad boys. Look at these bad boys.
So,
And it's thin at the bottom as well. Look at that. And it's really soft on the side. Like comfortable.
so yeah, guys, let me know your initial thoughts. So nice and plain. We've gone for the safe plain look. And the main features: rounded sole, thin forefoot, and so they really, like I said, this part helps you with the pivot and the soft forefoot part, and because the sole is quite thin, you'll be able to feel the pedal a lot easier. So, Brand, will you try them on for me?
Oh, let me get my feet out. God, I wore the wrong socks. Guys, you should be paying for this content. You know what I mean? OnlyFans pending. Right, let's take this off. Wow, I love the smell of new shoes. Will I be able to get it on? Can I get in? Oh, they just slip on?
They're not too tight or anything.
No, that's actually a sleek fit. In case you didn't know how to tie laces.
Right, so now I'm going to take off the tag then as well, because they fit you.
Ta-da! For all those people that don't know how to tie laces, there you go. Beautiful.
Here you go.
Oh, I could go jogging in these.
That in there as well.
What a perfect fit, eh?
Brandon, you're the first person to actually try them on and
Am I actually?
drive since they've arrived. Obviously, when we were designing them, there were people trying them out then. But actually, since they've all arrived, I said this is the first time.
I feel honoured.
Guys, here's a black pair. What do you think of the black one, Brandon?
You know what? Do you remember when I was saying that on the photos, yeah, the white ones were really nice looking. Now that you've got these out there, look at that. Beautiful.
So yeah, guys, there's only 2 colours available at the moment. I had no idea how much how much this would cost, bring it to market. So there is a limited availability. So any of you that are interested, please just click on the link in and around the video and place your orders.
So the new shoes, I'm just testing my feet out in them.
Okay, so the one thing to do now, you've got the shoes on. Just go for the drive.
Wait, a drive?
How else have you got to know?
Am I really the best person to
The thing is, with you, Brand, you always got an opinion. So I'm like, yeah, Brandon's not going to hold back.
Oh, this guy. Listen, yeah, it's been a while since I've driven, so bear with me. I have passed that. That actually feels quite nice. I'm in awe. I'm actually in awe. Right.
How do they feel compared to your normal trainers?
To be honest, I've got such a slight grip I've got such a slight grip on that accelerator, and it feels great. Like I'm not slipping off whatsoever. It's just firm on there. The grip on the clutch feels really nice and firm as well.
How do they feel? How do your feet feel in there? Does it feel comfortable in that, or
Comfy, slick. I actually really like them. I know it's like you know, we're promoting your brand here and whatnot, but I genuinely do like them.
turn right, please?
Compared to my other shoes, or compared to any shoes that I've used while driving, my other shoes always felt quite blocky. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they are designed so they're not too wide.
Yeah.
Okay, do we need gear one there?
Probably not.
And at the roundabout, if you could turn right, please.
But yeah, all my other shoes felt blocky when driving. These ones, on the other hand, they like, it feels like my foot is on the clutch essentially, and on the accelerator. Like, it feels really nice, safe.
Good. If you could turn left.
Have you tried them on and driven in them yet?
Yep.
What did you think?
I loved them. But like I said, with me now, I'm used to driving in
Normal shoes.
in anything really. But like I said, I was just thinking of like how many learners actually find it difficult to like get the right footwear
Yeah.
when they're driving. So I thought, why not give it a shot?
I genuinely feel if I was driving in these from the get-go, I'm not saying I would have driven like easier, but like it would have felt better.
Yeah, at least like, we know that this is like the correct footwear for driving, but like obviously it's not gonna help you drive like you know your awareness ahead and that.
Yeah.
That's and your knowledge about the topics on driving. That's got nothing to do with how the footwear is. Yeah, but this will, like I said, you know, because a lot of people take a, you know, especially when they first start learning to drive, they're so confused about like which footwear to wear and they can't feel the pedals properly. So yeah guys, we have now got the best footwear for driving.
Another thing is, like I mentioned, the blockiness, because these are so thin and like so thin soled, I can feel the bend in my, like, the shoes essentially, so I'm getting the best type of grip that I can on the pedals. Whereas on my, like the ones that I was just wearing, just because they are thick, I'm not getting a massive like bended grip onto the things.
Yeah, I know what you mean. They're like they're quite flexible, aren't they, from the bottom as well?
Yeah.
So which ones do you prefer, the black or the white ones?
I'm quite simple. I do love the simplicity of the white shoes alone, but the black ones are very nice as well. I'm gonna say the white ones just because I feel as though they could go with a lot more. The black ones are nice. You've got that white outline at the bottom as well for the soles. Personally, I think you could wear these if you were to go out, to be honest.
Yeah, so we went with the safe style. So, like you said, they go with a lot of stuff.
Me personally, if I were to use these shoes when I do get the car, I'd just leave them in my car. Honestly, I'd leave them in my car and then put them on when I get in. I mean, I can drive in like other shoes, but I definitely would be using these.
At the roundabout, if you could turn left.
Oh, we haven't been around here in a while, have we?
So we all started, remember?
Yeah. Look at that. Look at how much progress they've made.
And if you could turn left, please.
place. Getting so much memories.
At the end of the road, turn right, please, run. And if you could just park up on the left for me, please. And switch off the engine. And take out the key for me.
Felt like a driving lesson. Genuinely felt like a driving lesson.
Okay, so there's just one thing left to do, really. You haven't really stood up and walked around with them yet. So let me just grab this camera.
Oh my days.
So if you could just get out of the car, just don't get run over. Whatever goes.
Check my blind spot.
Right, I better get out. Right, Brad, give us a walk this way. And turn around. And walk back this way. It's like the catwalk. Give us a sprint. He's gone too far, hasn't he?
Take in mind, yeah, there's drivers sitting in both cars just watching me have fun. They're good, you know. They're a bit dirty now, but they're good.
Right then, let's get back in.
Oh wow, you've actually put the learner sign on top of the car. I feel offended.
Okay, so that's it then. Yeah, so guys, please let me know in the comments your thoughts, whether you prefer the colour, the white ones or the black ones. And yeah, like I said, it's taken quite a bit of time and money. Yeah, so we have got some stock in, but there's not loads. So if any of you are interested, please click on the link and place your orders. Yeah, it will be free delivery in the UK, in most areas in the UK. And obviously, if you're ordering from abroad, then the postage will be additional.
You doing any giveaways?
Yes, of course. I'll next video on these, I'll be doing some giveaways. And to be honest, you know, most of the learners that feature on the channel as well now, I'll be giving them a pair as well.
Oh, give me some.
Okay.
Let me give some away.
Obviously, you can have that one.
Oh.
And you can have the black one as well.
Oh, thank you very much
for doing the video. Okay. Right then, guys. Thank you very much. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again, Bran.
Peace.